Hello everyone, this is Josh, and in this video we're going to look at woodworking tools and machines that will amaze you. Festool. This is the Festool EDGEBANDER, used for edge banding. Edge banding is a very important process in carpentry and industrial furniture manufacture. It is the process of sealing exposed raw edges of plywood, thus protecting furniture from quick wear and tear and providing an aesthetically pleasing finish. The Festool EDGEBANDER is fitted with a patented gluing system that ensures precise glue application for a perfect join quality and maximum adhesion. After edging strips have been applied, trimming can be done effortlessly with a router. Accessories are provided for further smoothing, sanding and polishing, ensuring a perfect finish. An ergonomic design guarantees proper weight distribution, while pressure is transferred to the contact roller, improving ease of use for the operator. Tenzo. A woodworker will often have to join pieces of wood to produce more complex items. Woodwork joints employ a variety of solutions, like mechanical fasteners, adhesives, or use of wood elements for the more traditionally inclined. Tenzo P10 is a next-generation joinery solution that enables quick joining of pieces of wood. A self-clamping connector is anchored in a locking groove within seconds. The high clamping force of Tenso leads to perfectly clamped joints, regardless of the angle of the joint. Aesthetic joining is possible without visible connectors and with short assembly times. Mafell. This is the NFU50 by German company Mafell. This router can be used flexibly as an all-rounder for a wide variety of routing requirements in timber construction. Just set it up according to your required channel, attach it to the track, and off you go. The exemplary build and the well thought out ease of use make the NFU50 a multi-talent. This impressive machine is designed with sophisticated solutions that are very helpful to the operator. This saves time and energy, which can be invested in the actual task, a perfect job. Ancheng Bamboo. China-based Ancheng Bamboo and Wood Company is specialised in the manufacture of disposable bamboo and wood tableware. The main vision of the company is to replace plastic disposable cutlery that is harmful to the environment by producing compostable and biodegradable eco-friendly cutlery. Its range of product includes disposable spoons and plates, bamboo forks, bamboo tongs, chopsticks, toothpicks, coffee stirrers, and many more. Auto angle drill. There are several challenges when drilling angled holes. First is getting the angle correct. Next is getting the direction of the angle correct. And third, and most important, you must get the entry point correct. Woodpecker's new auto angle drill guide works perfectly with a clever protractor base that makes it amazingly simple to set up your drilling angle and hole location. After confirming your hole position, you can drill a hole through it at any angle you choose, up to a 40-degree angle. Fast Deck Tool. Swedish brand Fast specialises in the design and manufacture of tools for smart installation of wooden terraces. Check out the DINCMAK V2, a screw template that is ideal for screwing perfect rows when laying your wooden deck. Its hole pattern is specially designed to match the latest recommendations for laying decking. This second tool is the Fast Deck tool, a tool that allows you not to have to measure anything. Just screw the screw and move on to the next fixing point. Easy peasy. veneer box production. Wooden crates are used widely for packaging and transportation of agricultural produce, but have you ever wondered how these crates are made? First, several machines are used to clean tree logs, which are then peeled into veneer and cut into planks of different sizes, depending on the design of the crate. The plank pieces are then joined together by use of a variety of machines and assisted by human workers. As seen here, the already assembled bottom piece is nailed by a machine to the side profiles. A conveyor system then guides the crates to the final stages, where the finishing process is done. These crates are then sold to fruit and vegetable farms for packaging of produce. Now you know how your grapes got to you. Thin rip guide. Lots of different projects require the use of thin strips of wood, from inlay flooring to woven cutting boards. Keeping a consistent thickness when cutting thin strips of wood can be a major headache for carpenters. This requires a special tool. The answer is Woodpeckers Thin Rip Guide. The Thin Rip Guide provides a perfectly safe stop on the offcut side of the blade that delivers the same size strips over and over again as you move your fence closer to the blade. DINCMAK. Turkish company DINCMAK, operating from the industrial city of Bursa, has been manufacturing woodworking machinery since 1979. DINCMAK is specialised in the manufacture of machines that are used to make beds, baby cribs, tables, sofas, and more. The company produces a variety of product, including CNC machines, CNC wood lathes, copy shapers, copy lathers, sanding machines, and assembly presses for joining chairs. DINCMAK supports the furniture industry by providing high-quality machines that are safe and easy to use. Pippi Plywood. Pippi Plywood is a panel producer and plywood manufacturer based out of Indonesia. In the production process, fast-growing woods like white birch and falcata wood are used to ensure sustainability. Harvested logs are first taken through a debarking process to remove the outer layer, and then immediately peeled by a rotary peeling machine. The resultant thin sheets of veneer are put together and dried in this industrial dryer. The sheets will need to be composed to make them thicker. Special machines work together with human hands to repair any damages, as well as join and glue the sheets together. A pressing process ensues afterwards, starting with this cold press machine. The stack is then transferred to a hot press. A sanding stage follows, after which the panels will be trimmed at the sides, and a top layer added for a good aesthetic finish. Infinity tools. We earlier touched on joinery and mentioned the use of wood elements to join pieces of wood. Infinity Tools designs a self-centering dowel jig that enables a quick and easy creation of centered joints. Its patented self-centering action ensures accurate center drilling every time. The large steel clamping screw securely tightens the tool like a vice. After drilling on both sides of the joint using the precision drill guide feature, Insert your wooden dowels in the holes and join the pieces of wood. A gentle whack on one side of the joint will go a long way. Woodpeckers is a full-fledged manufacturer of woodworking tools and machinery, from marking gauges like this one, jigs, drilling equipment, and many more. Check out this advanced full-throttle blast gate, designed to be fitted to your dust collection system. This blast gate provides more efficient airflow and easier installation of flexible hose, among other advantages. This ensures your working environment is clean, healthy, and safe. Pocket hole jig. This is Triton's new range of pocket hole jigs. Creating strong joints in woodworking projects has never been simpler or faster. The double jig has both an imperial and metric ruler for accuracy, and you can easily set your jig to the correct depth for your material. When ready, you can easily slide the drill bit into the jig, making sure the depth collar is loose. Proceed to drill your hole, making sure to withdraw and remove the waste. Drive the screws into the pocket hole. When done, test your joint and see how strong it is. Pocket hole joints are incredibly quick and strong. Each jig set comes complete with a starter pack, so you can start joining straight out of the box. Check out how easy the pocket hole is to use. Drilling horizontally or vertically, this set has you covered. Triton's pocket hole jig range can be defined as joinery made simple. KREG cabinet jig. Get an extra helping hand for installing cabinet doors with the KREG cabinet door mounting jig. It makes the job of installing cabinet doors a breeze. Whether you're working with face frames or frameless cabinets, it works with both left hand and right hand doors. The jig features a support arm that helps you hold the door with one hand, while your other hand is free to mount the hinges to the cabinet. How easy was that? KREG panel carrier. Check out the panel carrier by KREG. It makes the tough task of carrying plywood and large panels as easy as clamp, lift, and go. The ergonomic handle has thick, durable padding and won't dig into your hand while carrying your material. Plus, the more you lift up on the handle, the tighter the pads squeeze to prevent slipping. Now you can move 4x8 sheets by yourself without added strain or risk of damaging the material. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.